He will bite you.
Over here. Hey, hands, bro. Let me see your hands.
Get up. Nahu, puppies. Nahu. Nahu, puppies. Nahu.
Turn around.
Nahu, puppies. Nahu. Nahu. Good puppies.
Hands on your back. Put your hands on your back.
Good puppies. Yes. Yes, puppies.
No, bro, we got him.
He's keyed up. He's keyed up. He's keyed up.
Hey.
312 Flagler. He's secure.
Check everything right
We're
here,
in the
please.
wood line, just off of 305 to the north of our vehicle. What's your name, boy?
Good puppies.
What's your name?
Duane Simpers.
Where are you from?
Texas.
Welcome to Flagler.
Hey, he had...
Yeah, bro, you read from the wrong one, bro. What's up? Yeah, bro. You got a girl in the car and everything? Sit up, bro. Sit, bro.
I know it's probably a crazy question, but I have some clean clothes on the bed.
No, bro. I know you're not trying to ask me that. Come on.
I'm soaking wet, bro.
That sucks, bro. I mean, like, you did it to yourself.
Right.
Alright, so obviously we got a lot going on here today. A lot of stuff happened, a lot of craziness, man. So why don't you tell me in your own words what took place today? How did we get from A to B?
Somebody lit me up out there on that main road, and I turned around and I ended up here. Basically, short and sweet. They obviously was looking for my vehicle for some reason.
Okay.
That's all. I was going to meet a friend up at the Birmingham bar.
Okay.
That's where I was headed.
We never did. We
Okay.
sticked it.
So,
And
did that deputy attempt to pull you over?
No, not at first.
At
Next
first?
day, welcome
Did you,
back.
any deputy attempt to pull you over at any point in time?
I've seen some lights back
So
there.
they can't come back and claim
after a
that,
while.
you know, the car's
I've
being
seen them
inside.
stop stick.
So you saw the stop sticks?
The second one, the one I just hit.
I'm sorry?
The one I hit, obviously right here.
Okay, but you saw the ones on West 100?
I think
I
Logan
see
already
them.
took
You
pictures.
didn't see that one? Alright, what about when you drove around them?
No, I didn't see it.
You didn't see him? Did you see the deputy behind you?
No.
Alright.
The one didn't light me up at first. I pulled over, he pulled over, and he still didn't light me up.
Okay.
So I U-turned.
Alright. What about, so what happened when you went into this neighborhood back here?
What happened?
Yeah, like, I mean, what were you doing?
Well, I'd seen some cops back there, so I was just trying to stay away from them. I was trying to just,
Alright, so you weren't trying to make contact with law enforcement?
was I trying to make contact?
Yeah.
No, I was just
Did you believe that law enforcement was trying to make contact with you?
Well, after the stop stick, I knew that.
After what stop stick?
Right here?
This one that you hit?
Yeah.
Okay. So after that stop stick happened, what did you do?
We went to turn on this road and I got out of the vehicle.
Did you get out of the vehicle and did you stop?
I went to the woods a couple feet.
Why'd you go into the woods?
I didn't want to be in trouble, but then I didn't want to get bit by a dog and I didn't want to create more trouble.
So would it be fair to say you were running from the police?
I mean, I started to, yeah, but I'd stop.
Alright, so you began to run.
I began to and realized, it's better just to get it over with.
Alright.
That was recent, wasn't it?